mature. Here's a detailed 2,400-word voiceover script for a YouTube video on the Toyota Motorhome, covering its history, features, specifications, and why it's a popular choice among travelers and RV enthusiasts. Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most beloved motorhomes of all time, the Toyota Motorhome. Whether you're a seasoned traveler, an adventurer looking for your next home on wheels, or simply curious about this iconic camper, this video will give you everything you need to know. From its origins to its capabilities, performance, and modern relevance, we'll cover every detail about this unique and reliable motorhome. Introduction to the Toyota Motorhome. The Toyota Motorhome is a compact, fuel-efficient recreational vehicle that gained immense popularity during the late 1970s and throughout the 1980s. Built on Toyota truck chassis, these motorhomes offered an affordable, reliable, and efficient alternative to larger RVs. Unlike traditional, oversized motorhomes that require significant fuel and maintenance, the Toyota Motorhome provided a perfect balance between size, convenience, and capability. Toyota partnered with various RV manufacturers, such as Chinook, Dolphin, Sunraider, Winnebago, and Mirage, to create fully equipped, self-contained campers that could handle long road trips, weekend getaways, and even full-time living. These vehicles became a favorite among nomads, campers, and van life enthusiasts due to their affordability and low-cost maintenance. Now, let's break down what makes the Toyota Motorhome special, from its chassis and engine to its interior design, living features, and overall reliability. Chassis and engine. The Toyota Motorhome was typically built on the Toyota Hilux or Tacoma truck chassis, well known for its durability and long lifespan. The most popular models were produced between 1977 and 1994, with slight variations in design and features over the years. Most Toyota motorhomes came equipped with either a 2.2-liter 20R engine, a 2.4-liter 22R engine, or later models with a 3.0-liter V6 engine. These engines were widely praised for their reliability, ease of maintenance, and excellent fuel efficiency compared to larger Class U or Class C motorhomes. The 22R and 22RE engines are particularly famous for their legendary reliability. These inline-four engines were designed for longevity, often lasting over 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Even today, many Toyota motorhomes from the 1980s and 1990s are still running strong, proving their durability. Fuel economy was another major selling point. While traditional motorhomes often struggled with 6-10 miles per gallon, the Toyota Motorhome offered a much more efficient 14-18 miles per gallon, depending on the model, weight, and driving conditions. However, one of the most significant mechanical challenges was the rear axle issue in early models. Because RV manufacturers extended the length of the truck bed and added extra weight, the original single-wheel rear axle was not strong enough to handle the load. This led to axle failures, prompting Toyota to introduce a 6-lug, full-floating rear axle in later models. When purchasing a Toyota Motorhome today, it's crucial to check whether it has the upgraded full-floating axle, as it significantly improves safety and performance. Transmission and drivability. Most Toyota motorhomes were offered with either a 4-speed or 5-speed manual transmission or an automatic transmission. Many owners preferred the manual transmission because it provided better control, fuel economy, and reliability. The automatic transmission models were also available, but they often struggled with power, especially on steep inclines. Driving a Toyota Motorhome is relatively easy compared to larger RVs. Thanks to its compact size, lightweight design, and power steering, it feels more like driving a regular truck rather than a bulky motorhome. This makes it ideal for navigating city streets, parking lots, and winding mountain roads, where larger RVs might struggle. Interior and living space. Despite its small footprint, the Toyota Motorhome offers a surprisingly spacious and functional interior. Manufacturers designed these campers to maximize every inch of available space. making them comfortable for long trips and even full-time living. Most models feature a cab-over sleeping area, providing enough space for 2 adults. Some layouts offer additional sleeping areas in the form of a convertible dinette or a fold-out couch, a kitchen area with a 2 or 3 burner stove, a sink, a refrigerator, and ample storage for cookware and food supplies. Some models even include an oven, a bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower, making it completely self-contained. While some smaller models only feature a wet bath, larger models provide more comfortable bathroom layouts, a dining and living area, which often converts into an additional sleeping space. Many layouts include a dinette table with seating for 4 and large windows to let in plenty of natural light. Storage is another strong point in Toyota motorhomes. Despite their compact size, they are designed with numerous overhead cabinets, under-seat storage, and external storage compartments to hold camping gear, clothing, and other essentials. Electrical and water systems. Toyota motorhomes come equipped with standard 12 volts and 110 volts electrical systems, allowing travelers to use basic appliances while off-grid or plugged into shore power at campsites. Many models also feature a propane system, which powers the refrigerator, stove, and sometimes even a furnace for heating. For off-grid camping, many owners upgrade their electrical systems with solar panels and lithium batteries, allowing them to power their motorhome without needing to plug in at a campground. Water storage is another key feature, with a freshwater tank, grey water tank, and black water tank, making the vehicle fully self-contained. Some models even come with water heaters, providing hot showers and warm water for washing dishes. Why the Toyota motorhome is so popular today. Despite being decades old, the Toyota motorhome continues to be a popular choice among RV enthusiasts. Here's why. 1. Reliability. Toyota's reputation for durability and long-lasting engines makes these motorhomes highly desirable. Many owners report minimal maintenance costs compared to other RVs. 2. Fuel efficiency. With up to 18 mpg, it's far more economical than most modern RVs, making it a cost-effective option for road trips and full-time living. 3. Compact and easy to drive. Unlike larger RVs, the Toyota motorhome can easily navigate tight roads, parking lots, and national parks where big rigs are not allowed. 4. Timeless design. Many travelers love the vintage aesthetic of the Toyota motorhome, giving it a classic, nostalgic charm. 5. Affordable to own. Even today, Toyota motorhomes can be found for $5,000 to $25,000, depending on the condition and upgrades, compared to modern Class C motorhomes that cost upwards of $80,000. These are an excellent budget-friendly alternative. Final thoughts. The Toyota motorhome is more than just a camper. It's a symbol of adventure, freedom, and reliability. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, looking for a budget-friendly tiny home, or simply want a reliable weekend camper, the Toyota motorhome remains one of the best choices in the RV world. If you're considering buying one, make sure to check for the rear axle upgrade, overall engine condition, and water damage, as these are common issues with older models. With proper care, a Toyota motorhome can provide decades of adventure and unforgettable memories. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth vehicle reviews and travel tips. Let us know in the comments if you've ever owned or traveled in a Toyota motorhome. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.